and gentlemen. Good evening, my name is Rob Goring. I am proud to be the Director of Bands for the Red Deer Community Band Society, and very delighted to welcome you all here to a beautiful Great Chief Park, to our Sounds of Summer. This is an event that we did last year when we had a visiting band from Canberra, Australia, and have done it several times with the visiting bands. And it just kind of occurred to us that we wondered why we didn't do this every year. We're slow learners. It took us about 10 years to figure that out, but that's not the point. The point is we're here and you're here, and we're going to have a great evening. For their 2012 field show, the Red Deer Royals present Scheherazade. The music is by Nikolai Rimsky-Korsakov and arranged by Key Poulin. The visual design is by Wade Lamb, Kate Grant, Megan McKenzie, and Lindsay Neufeld. A production in 3 movements, Scheherazade tells the ages-old tale of the 1001 Arabian Nights. It is the story of the evil and devious Sultan and the cunning and beautiful Scheherazade. Follow the story of their struggle and of their ultimate redemption.